How's it going, guys? Andreas from BidX here, and in this video I will show you how you can use tags in product management to create different. With the Pro features, which are available from the Professional plan on, you can tag the products in Product Management section. A tag can be assigned to a product by clicking on the Add Tag button. You can assign several tags to a product, so you can categorize the products or organize them in portfolios. In addition, responsibilities can be also regulated if you assign the product according to the name of the editor as a tag. Another possible application would be to organize the products according to strategic goals by creating and assigning tags like launch or sales. The tags can be managed and deleted via the settings in the upper right corner. Tags can be also created and assigned to products via bulk file. Using the filter function, you can have all products of a tag displayed at any time. I hope you liked this video. If you have any further questions about this topic, please don't hesitate to contact us. If you are logged into your BidX account, use the chat on the bottom right or simply send us a mail to hello@bidx.xyz.